Assalamu alaikum. In this video we learn about how we can install Windows 11 on unsupported PC. First we download ISO file of Windows 11 from this website. The link of video given in description below in which explain how to download Windows 11 from this website. We download Rufus Software from this website. The link of this website given in description below. Click on download. Here latest version of Rufus software is downloading. This software help us to create a bootable USB of Windows 11. After downloading ISO file of Windows 11 and Rufus software, plug in USB on your PC. The storage of USB must be 8 GB or more than 8 GB. My USB storage is 8 GB. USB must be empty. Now we start Rufus software. Rufus software automatically pick your removable device like USB. Now we select ISO file of Windows 11. Click on select. Click on ISO file of Windows 11. Click on open. No need to change anything other. Click on start. Rufus software warn you all data in USB will be destroyed. So must confirm USB not hold any data or any personal or important file. Click on OK. Now this process is completed. Now click on close. Now my USB device converted into bootable device. Now open it. Go to sources. Search apressors.del file, not apressors. Open it in Notepad. Click on OK. After opening this file, press Ctrl F. We modify this file so that Windows 11 can run on unsupported PC. Now first we find TPM. Click on Find Next. Delete both lines. Now we click on Find Next. Please follow the video step by step. Now we delete both lines. Now click on Find Next. Now here we delete only TPM. Now click on Find Next. Here we delete only TPM. Now click on Find Next. Now here we delete only TPM. Now click on Find Next. Now here we delete the both lines. Now click on Find Next. Here we delete only TPM. Now click on Find Next. Here we delete only TPM. Now click on Find Next. Now here we delete complete line. Click on Find Next. Now here we delete complete line. Now click on Next. Now here we delete complete line. Now click on Find Next. Here we delete 3 lines. Click on Find Next. Now here we delete 3 lines. Now click on Find Next. Now here we delete 3 lines. Click on Find Next. Now here we delete 3 lines. Click on Find Next. Now here we delete 3 lines. Click on Find Next. Now here we delete 3 lines. Now click on Find Next. Now here we delete 3 lines. Now click on find next. Now here we delete 1 line. Now click on find next. Now here we delete 1 line. Now click on find next. Now here we delete 1 line. Now click on find next. After showing this message, you not need to find next. Now we search UEFI. Click on find next. Only delete this complete line. Now click on find next. After showing this message, no need to find next. Now click on close. Now click on file. Now click on save. Now close this file. Now this bootable USB is ready to install on unsupported PC. Now we install it. Before installation, we check the capability of our system using PC Health Check app. The link of video given in description below, in which this application is explained in detail. Now we click on check now. You can see here my system cannot meet any requirement of Windows 11. But we install Windows 11 on this system. If you follow video step by step, you can also install the Windows 11 on unsupported PC. You already know my PC do not fulfill any requirement of Windows 11. But now we install Windows 11 on my PC. Open the modified bootable USB and we click on setup. The installation of Windows 11 will be start. No message of minimum requirement will be shown. Before starting the process of installation, there is a question in your mind, why we create a bootable USB? There is no need of bootable USB. The answer is bootable USB help us to modify the Windows 11. Without this process, we cannot modify the Windows 11 like this. Now we try to modify this ISO file. Click on mount and go to appraisals.del. Open it in notepad and remove anything from here like this and try to save it. Click on save. Now you can see this showing the message you cannot save it here. Choose an other location. If we try to modify ISO file, then it not allowed to modify it. Now your question would be clear. Now we go to installation process. Now open the modified bootable USB. Double click on setup. Click on yes. Click on next. Now click on accept. Now you can see Windows 11 installation process is started. Now click on OK. Now click on install. Now you can see Windows 11 is installing without showing any minimum requirement message. The installation of Windows 11 takes time. Now our Windows 11 is successfully installed. Now we enter password. Click on enter. Now our Windows 11 is starting. Now our Windows 11 running successfully. Now it's working fine. Now we successfully installed Windows 11 on unsupported PC. Now you can explore their features. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it. If you like this video, like it. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.